I was born and raised right here in Southern Oregon. I left the Rogue Valley to pursue my career in medicine, and I found my calling in orthopedic surgery. Throughout that time, the goal was always to come back and provide care to this community. I'm so excited to bring my two kids and my wife back and help my kids grow up in the place that raised me. While I do provide full spectrum orthopedic care, my real passion is shoulder and elbow surgery. I'm fellowship trained in the subspecialty by one of the world leaders. I specialize in shoulder replacement, arthroscopic rotator cuff repair, instability procedures, and fracture care. I also provide care for complex elbow trauma, elbow arthroscopy, and elbow replacements. In that time, I thought it was important to become certified in robotic knee replacement, which is a big leap forward in orthopedic technology, lets us be more precise as surgeons, and get our patients moving faster. I also bring extensive experience in sports medicine, including knee arthroscopy, care for meniscal injuries, and ACL reconstruction. I think it's important for patients to know that just because you come see a surgeon, we're not always going to recommend surgery. My first line is always non-operative treatment to try and get you back to doing the things you want faster. I think it's important to spend time with patients, hear the things that they're trying to get back to, the things that they want to get out of the treatment. And then I think that helps you treat the patient and their problem in a specific way. So I'm so excited to return, provide care to Southern Oregon, and raise my family here.